The months-long sexual assault trial of former deputy mayor and current Scarborough City Councillor Michael Thompson heard closing remarks in a Barrie court. Thompson is accused of assaulting 2 women at a Muskoka cottage during the Canada Day long weekend in 2022. The defense team for Thompson cast doubt on the credibility of the testimony given by the woman who accused him of inappropriately touching her while applying sunscreen, and the second woman who accused him of forcing himself on her later in the night. The defense argued that both women's accounts should be treated with caution, given their own admissions that they were intoxicated at the time of the alleged incidents. The woman who alleges Thompson tried to force her to perform oral sex testified she could not recall parts of the day, something the lawyer said raises questions about the accuracy of events. They also questioned why the women didn't reach out to police or leave immediately following the alleged assaults, pointing out that they both stayed the night and helped make breakfast and clean before departing the next day. Thompson testified in his own defense last month, claiming one of the women asked him to apply the sunscreen and that he asked for permission to touch her before doing so. He also maintains that he did not sexually assault anyone that weekend or at any other time. In their own closing arguments, the Crown highlighted the consistencies between the testimonies of both women. Thompson claims that the cottage invite was always for a friendly, casual weekend, but one of the women said she attended thinking it would be a business networking weekend. Thompson also claimed that no one was overly intoxicated, which is challenged as the women all testified that they were in various states of intoxication during the weekend. Addressing the issue of intoxication, the Crown said their first-hand accounts presented independently consistent narrative of the weekend in question. The Crown also dismissed the defense's point about the women remaining at the cottage, rather than immediately leaving after the alleged assaults, saying they were trying to process what happened to them and felt trapped both by circumstance and the unfamiliar location. A ruling in this case is expected in September in Midland. In Toronto, Beverly Andrews, City News.